nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Happy Kids School ifite abarimu b'inzobere batanga amasomo mu cyiciro cy'amashuri y'incuke ariyo nursery school cyangwa se gardienne, tutibagiwe na creche ndetse n'amashuri abanza ariyo primary school. Mu cyiciro cy'amashuri y'incuke ariyo nursery school cyangwa se gardienne, tubafitiye amashuri yose uko ariyo baby class, middle class na top class. Mu mashuri abanza cyangwa se primary school tubafitiye kuva mu mwaka wa mbere kugeza mu mwaka wa gatandatu. Nuzana umwana wawe muri Happy Kids School uzamuzanye amaboko meza y'abarezi b'inzobere muri uyu mwuga. Iri shuri riherereye hari Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri cricket neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83 cyangwa 0788 45 96 32. Zana umwana wawe ku ishuri ry'icyerekezo cy'ikinyagihumbi.
Hello friends, welcome back. I think you are doing well. Good, okay? We are going to study English again. English. Last time we studied many things, but today we are going to study something which is good, okay? We are going to study the use, how to use am, and is. We are going to study how we use these things. How do we use al, how do we use am, and how do we use is, isn't it? Okay, let's start from is. Let's start from is. When do we use is? We use is when we have he, she, it. That is the time we use he. That is the time we use is, okay? Now, he means boys or a man, isn't it? She means a woman or a girl, isn't it? Then it means animal or something else, isn't it? Okay. Now, when we have he, we use is. When we have she, we use is. When we have it, we use is. All this, we use. All this one, he, she, it, we use is. I can give you examples. Okay, who can make for me a sentence using is? You are going to make for me a sentence using he, she, it. And you know that when we have he, she, and it, we use is. For example, number one, I can give you an example. He is a girl. Isn't it? Another example. You see, we have he here. That's why we are using is. Isn't it? Okay. Now, we can even use she. No, this one, I told you that this one is she. I can use it with he. He is a boy. I told you that she is for girls and he is for boys. Okay? She is a girl. This is the first example. You can see she here. Is. Are we together? She is a girl. We have she here, that's why we are putting is. Then we have he here, that's why we are putting is. Okay, I have told you that it also, when you have it, we use is. We can say it is a bag. Isn't it? It is a bag. It is a chair. It is a desk. I think you are seeing it. We have she, he, it. That's why we are using is. We use is when we have it, he, and she. Are you getting me? Okay, good. We can even go to the other one. Before going to the other one, who can make for me a sentence using he, she, and it? Make sure you put is and is here. Make sure you put is. Who can make for me a sentence according to the example examples I have given you. Yes? Very good. She is my mother. Very good. Another example. Good. He is my teacher. Good. Another one. Very good. It is a car. Very good. The first one I said that she is my mother. Another one I said that he is my teacher. Then the last one I said that it is a car. Very good. Very good. I think you are saying the type of using is. You see, we have she here, that's why we are putting is. We have he here, that's why we are putting is. We have it here, that's why we are putting is. Very good. Okay, now we are going to talk about are, isn't it? Are. When do we use are? When do we use are? We use are when we have you, when we have we, when we have they. I think you are getting this. You, we, and they. All this one. When you have always you, we, they, we use are. Are we together? Okay, good. Now I want you to make for me a sentence. Any example of the sentence using this one. You put this are in any sentence you want. Before giving me your example, let me first give me mine. Okay? Number one, I can say that you are good girl. You are a good girl. Okay? You see, we have you, that's why we are putting are. Are you seeing it? Very good. Number two, we can say they are eating. They are eating meat, like an example. This is the first example, okay? We have they, that's why we are putting are. All together. They are eating meat. We are putting are because we have you and they. We use are when we have you and they. Another example here. We are reading books. Okay, here we have we. We have we. I told you that when we have we use are. Very good. We are reading books. We have here, but that's why we are putting are. Are you getting this? Okay, I want you to give me your own example. Can you give me an example? Who can give me an example of the sentence by using are? Who can give me an example? Very good. You are writing English. Very good, huh? Another one. Very good. We are going at school. Very good, huh? Another one. Good. They are shouting. Good. That you see, you are putting are because you have you, we, and they. Good. Now let's go back on When do we use When do we use You see, we are going to talk about On it is not difficult. We use only when we have I. We only use when we have I. I can give you an example. I can say that I am a teacher. You are talking about yourself. I am a teacher. You can even even giving me your own example. You can say, I am a boy. You know? If you are a boy, you can say, I am a boy. You can even say, I am, like for me, I am a girl. Okay? You can even say, I am a doctor. You see, you're talking about who you are. You're talking about yourself, isn't it? Okay? Now, I want you to give me an example. Who can give me an example of the sentence using am? I told you that am is used when we have I. Okay? Who can give me an example? Yes? Very good. I am reading books. Very good. You are saying I am reading books. This is the first example. You see, we have am here because there is I. Isn't it? Another one. Very good. I am your mother. I'm your mother. Isn't it? Okay, very good. Another example. Good. I am a nurse. A nurse. Okay? This is the time we use am. Okay. As I have told you about, I've been talking about the use of am, and is. I told you that we use is when we have he, when we have she, and when we have it. Isn't it? And we use an when we have you, when we have we, and when we have they. And we use when we have only I. This is what we've been talking about. All together? Okay, if you have understood this, you can even check in your holiday packet. You have it in your holiday packet. You can open on number 10. Are you there on number 10? They are asking you to make a sentence according to the exercise that you have. They are saying that she, the boy, the girls, they. You make a sentence. And you know that you use is when you have she or a girl, isn't it? You use at when you have a he or a boy, isn't it? The name of person or the name of... Yes, the name of person who is a girl and the name of person who is a boy. That when the name of person is a boy, you use he. You say he is a boy, isn't it? When the name of person who is a girl, you say she. She is like that, okay? Very good. According to the question number 10, they are asking you to make a sentence. She is playing. That is the first sentence. Another sentence. The boy is eating food. Very good. The girls are praying. Good. Another one. They are eating food. I think you are getting that, isn't it? That is the question I've been talking about. Okay, we have finished about this. I think you are getting. Are they difficult? No. Okay. Now we are going to start. When do we use? They are like this one, but it is a small difference. How do we use the use of has and have? That's what we are going to study. The use of has and have. When do we use has? We use has when we have he, she, and it. When we have this, when we have he, we use has. When we have she, we use has. When you have it, we use has. Are we together? We can even say that we use has when it is the name of person. Only one person, isn't it? We use also has when it is the we, and they. When we have all this, we use have. I think we are together. You have, I have, we have, they have. Are we together? Here, he has, she has, it has. We can make sentence using this. Make a sentence by using this. Isn't it? Okay, think about the sentence that you are going to tell me. Can you give me an example of the sentence using that? Can you try? Good, okay, you have tried. We can say, he has a bag. This is the first one. You see, we have he, that's what we are putting has. Are we together? We can say, she has a nice dress. She has a nice dress. That's another one. We have she here. That's why we are putting has. Are we together? Okay. You can say it has a big nose. It has a big nose. It has a big nose. You see, we have it. That's why we are putting has. Are we together? Okay, good. This was about has. We can even say you have a nice shot. You can say you have a nice shot. Here we have you. That's why we are putting have. Are we together? We have you here. When you have you, immediately you use have. Are we together? We can even say, I have one brother. You can say, I have. Because we have I here, that's why we are putting have. Are we together? I have one brother. We can say, they have books. They have books. They have books. They, when you have they, you use have. Are we together? Okay? Another one is we have pens. We have pens. We here, that's why we have. Are we together? According to all this, I want you to keep that in mind that when we have he, she, and it, we use has. When you have you, I, we, and then you use have. Are they difficult? No, they are not difficult. For you keep in mind that you have, I have, we have, they have. You keep also in mind that he has, she has, and it has. This is what we've been talking about. Thank you, friends. Make sure you do all exercise that you have in your notebook, isn't it? You get your package and